Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we've got a great shave today in my opinion. I'm excited, nervous. We'll talk about why in just a minute. So, I am using Urban Viking from OSP. Obsessive Soap Perfectionist, I do believe is what that stands for. Came from Martin Rowland at YMMV Shaves. I'll link his channel below. He sent it to me last year. You can tell when I use it, I've been scraping away so you can still see the OSP on there. So we'll put that back in the tub. Lathered it up in the Captain's Choice. I kind of did a lazy lather today, so it may be a little bubbly. But I was watching football, and I bloomed it for a little while in the bowl and everything. But we're using my Envy with a abalone handle. I'll put this on, see how it does. I may add a little bit of water in my opinion. Let's see. We shall see. It feels good. And Urban Viking is supposed to be a dupe of Sauvage. So, and I've never smelled Sauvage before. My splash is Sauvage Splash, and it will be my first time, so we'll see how close it smells to this. Alright guys, what makes me nervous? What's got me scared? Alright, I've got this Ace of Spades. It's one of 4 that I sent to John June that Drew Dick did the grinding on. Let's see, can y'all see the tang? He did the grinding on it. You can see the cross keys on the back. And this one hasn't been shaved with yet. Should be shave ready. John June shaved it. I'm just, the other 3, it's looking like they're failures. Not because of John June. Not because of Drew Dick. Nice. So we are going to be fighting my phone going dead. I'm at 8% right now. But right now, guys, it's not feeling rough in my opinion. Seems to be removing the hairs nicely. I mean, it's shaving okay. No issues. Now, it's not the sharpest I've ever had from John June. I mean, it's plenty sharp. Doing a good job knocking down the growth. I do believe we are dealing with like 40 hours worth of growth. So, very nice. I mean, it's taking them off. I'd show y'all, but you know, yeah, not as hydrated as I wanted. I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna come right back with a charger because I'm gonna die if I don't. And we're back, guys. So we're gonna lather up with the second round. Before I came back, I did add some more water to the lather. Because even though that pass was just fine, I still wanted to add some more water. Look at that. Bloopity bloop bloop bloop. Can't wait to see if this is what Sauvage smells like. It's not as strongly scented as it once was. The tub did get cracked by the post office or customs or somebody on the way here. So the scent is lightening up a little bit. But it's a soap brand that is the only one I've got. Never got to try it if it wasn't for Martin, so greatly appreciative. Very awesome. If y'all want to know what I've been wiping my blade on, my daughter's frozen washcloth. Let's hope I don't rip it because she'll kill me. Y'all hear the football game in the background? Let's go up. That's what we're doing. Go. There we go. Sorry I'm being a little quiet. I'm just, if I decide to sell this or something like that, which it's kind of the plan. I was going to keep it, but because of the other ones, this one turns out good. Because I don't want to sell somebody something they won't enjoy. I'm not out to rip anybody off or just make a quick buck. Had a buddy try to sell me his ace of spades today. I was like, no, man, I'm good. I've got at least one. He's like, yeah, but man, I'll sell it to you cheap and you can just turn around and sell it. He's like, I just don't want to go through the issue of like posting it. I'm like, no, I'm good, man. So, yeah, we'll just see how this one goes. Like I said, I think it's pretty good. We're going to do a little bit of touch up, do some differences. I did. I nicked right there where I was trying to get without shaving cream. Oh well. Just a little bit. We'll take care of it in a minute. Here we go. We'll just take the diptych. There we go. Yeah. Because I get like these weird tufts that come up a little further, so I got to kind of trim it down to make my mustache look right. So, yeah. Pick up, sir. This is the first time I will ever describe John June's edge like this. Probably the only time. It's smoother than it is sharp. Does that make sense to everybody? Smoother than it is sharp. Cuts, it's good. The nose was kind of my fault because I didn't have any lubrication up here at the lip. But all in all, it shaves well. Not having issues, don't have like random strays where it didn't look like it was cutting along the entire length of the blade. Kept looking at the lather on the blade to see if it was, you know, hair all the way across. Just trying to judge it the best I can. And I do think it's a pass. So, yay! Excited. All right, guys, so we're going to rinse up, and I will be right back. All right, guys, and we are back. Very excited. Part of me may send this off to someone else to test the edge. Just get their opinion, because I'm not the best guy to sit there and test everyone's edges. It's just, I'm not. So, probably going to send this off to a buddy. Don't know who yet. Whoever's interested in giving the edge a test. A connoisseur of edges, so to speak. So we did use OSP, Urban Viking. YMMV Shaves with the abalone handle. Very excited. I believe that is a Black Timberwolf knot. And splash of the evening, Sauvage by Dior. No restrictor, so you know, you just kind of... Oh yeah. Y'all see how much that was? Oh yeah. Feel the burn, baby. Feel the burn. Oh yeah. So the soap's pretty close. Oh, that's nice. So, anything I can find links of, I will put below. And don't forget, thank Martin Rowland. Your miles may vary. I will link his channel below. All right, guys. Very nice. Very enjoyable shave. Nice scent. Sauvage isn't bad. Just as far as right now, at least with the aftershave, I still prefer Prada Luna Rosa Carbon. I'd rather wear that than this. So, all right, guys. Catch y'all later, and y'all have a good week.